shake me awake, bring me back to reality. Head on my pillow, but I'm not getting any slave. The world's been waiting, where were you? Everything you want, waiting for you. All that's left to do is left to you. The world is waiting, where are you? Looking for a sign, we can't find you. Buried in the sands of passing time, with racing thoughts running through my mind. I see my future in black and white, all of my colors fading over time. Oh, shake me away. Bring me back to reality. Head on my pillow, but I'm not getting any sleep. Shake me away.
Tell me, baby, on my feet, got a fix for everything. I got that good stuff, got that kush, got that fire, got that good love. Won't find another high that's clean. Nirvana on ecstasy and intensity. White knuckles on a technicolor mood ring. I hope you know there's no coming down. Stay faded, get low, best how you felt. There's no coming down, take a hit now, get your fix now. Cause I'm your love pusher, feeling heavy under my pressure, Cause I'm your love pusher, you're unsteady under my pressure, love pusher. Attention is the currency, bathe me in your luxury. I want the finer things, grade A, blue dream, white powder sheets. Take a trip, hun, get some. I'm the square on your tongue. Feel so hard, you go numb. Oh, I hope you know there's no coming down. Take a hit now, get your love pusher. Love pusher, love pusher. Oh, yeah. Love pusher, 'cause I'm your love pusher. Love pusher, love pusher. Oh, yeah. Love pusher, 'cause I'm your love pusher.
I saw the signs, and it came easy. You took your time, like you never wanted to speak your mind. Would you believe me? It's alright, keep on fighting for your soul. Talking about control, say you're wanting more. Show me something, don't just talk about it. If you're scared of letting go when you know, let me show you. Scoot on over, let me drive. Scoot on over, let me drive. Scoot on over, let me drive. Come alive and face the feeling that you're free, let it be. Nothing's holding you, we've arrived. Why are you waiting? It's alright, keep on fighting for your soul. Talking about control, say you're wanting more. Show me something, don't just talk about it. If you're scared of letting go when you know, let me show you. Scoot on over, let me drive. 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 It's a whole mood, you know it's a whole mood. It's a whole mood, yeah. It's a whole mood, you know it's a whole mood. Like this, it's a whole mood, yeah. Catch a ride, shawty really got a vibe. Take me high, mile up in the sky, and I tried to run, but we two turn up. Yeah, she said, why take it slow? I don't ride. She so real, no jack or high. She my type, she that one. I just might let it go, no breaks, 'cause I'm all gassed up. Yeah, thinking I'll let you know, no, hey. Why you gotta move like that, so innocent? Yeah. Looking for a girl like you, but I should've been. Maybe tonight I think I'ma let it live. Let it breathe, it's a whole mood, yeah. Why you gotta move like that, so innocent? Was looking for a girl like you, but I should've been. Maybe tonight I think I'ma let it live. Let it breathe, it's a whole mood. It's a whole, yeah. It's a whole, it's a whole mood, yeah. It's a whole mood, you know it's a whole mood. It's a whole mood, yeah. It's like shawty lit a fire, I was the supplier. Flickering until we took a lighter. Different world we live in, and she let me stay the night. We gon' social distance in the crib and let it ride. Ooh yeah, jamming to the field, singing ooh yeah, it's when it's something real. Little bit of liquor, little bit of love, we don't got much time, let's get it. Little bit of feeling, little bit of numb, ain't no reason why we ain't gon' send it. Why you gotta gotta move like that, so innocent. Why you gotta move? Yeah, I was looking for a girl like you, but I should've been. I should've been. Baby, tonight I think I'm a little bit. Let it be, let me be. It's a whole mood. It's a whole mood. Why you gotta move like that, so innocent? Was looking for a girl like you, but I should've been. Baby, tonight I think I'm a little bit. Let it be, let me be. It's a whole mood. It's a whole mood. Why you gotta move like that, so innocent? It's a whole mood. Looking for a girl like you, but I should've been. It's a whole mood. Baby, tonight I think I'm a little bit. Let it be, let it be. It's a whole mood. It's a whole mood. Why you gotta move like that, so innocent? It's a whole mood. Looking for a girl like you, but I should've been. I should've. Baby, tonight I think I'm a little bit. Let it be, let me be. It's a whole mood. It's a whole mood. It's a whole mood. It's a whole mood, yeah. It's a whole mood. It's a whole mood. It's a whole mood, yeah.
Feeling like I should, I'm all good, I'm all good. Never knew I could, I'm all good, I'm all good. Feeling like I should, I'm all good, I'm all good. Never knew I could, I'm all good, I'm good.
I feel like I ain't never felt before. I was locked up in my head, but I ain't got to fret no more. Like Kobe in his prime, I rep that 24. 7 days a week, we put up points, who's even keeping the score? Let's run it back. Got it crazy where we at. Let me be me, let me rap. Rep that vision, it's a different map. Whipping down the less paved, singing on a different track. They know it's a different path. It's like a dream, so let me never wake up. I was so hung up on myself, just like a stick in the mud. A little time, a little patience. When I got tired of waiting, then I found that gem within me sticking out of the mud. And they gon' ask me why I do it, I'ma say this because we gon' be the best on earth, just like we be at Emrus. Pass behind me like a book bag, hanging down a coat rack. Focused on the future, not that coulda, shoulda, would have.
Feeling like I should, I'm all good, I'm all good. Never knew I could, I'm all good, I'm all good. Feeling like I should, I'm all good, I'm all good. Never knew I could, I'm all good, I'm
It's
all
like
good.
this, look. I feel this like I should, this that new me. I ain't really tripping, if you hate it, you consume it. Moving so smooth, so easy like a layup. Riding on a wave, fall down, keep my head up. Cause that's life, all this can't be bought for no price. Go and hit them brand new heights, take my shot like Mike. I can't win them all, but I'll try. Don't got answers, but that's alright, yeah.
Before my mind was reeling, but I ain't in my head no more. On the path to feeling good. Before my mind was reeling, but I ain't in my head no more. On the path to feeling good. Feeling like I should. Feeling good, I'm all good. Never knew I could. Feeling good, I'm all good. Feeling like I should. I'm all good, never knew I could. I'm all good, I'm all good. Feeling like I should. Feeling good, I'm all good. Never knew I could. I'm all good, feeling like I should. I'm all good, never knew I could. I'm all good, I'm all good.
We been on top and we been killing it. It's all like we been on top and we been killing it. We can't stop, we been on top and they been feeling it. Talking about the realest on top and we been killing it. We been killing it. I come on in with the drum hammers. Watch little kids all around stammer. I'm saying, kid, better watch your manners. Grown men are talking, put your hands up. If you stay up on top of your stuff like this, on a business, God, can I get a witness? No pretension, just a man on a mission to sit on a throne. Success is my riches. Let the skies just rain and gold. Let the heat find those it's cold. Let the newcomer take the old and watch this stuff explode. I'm talking, let the skies accept my rise. Let the world see through my own eyes and watch while I light this stuff jump fire. Watch it since we rise. We been on top and we been killing it. It's all like we been on top and we been killing it. We can't stop, we been on top and they been feeling it. Talking about the realest on top and we been killing it. We been killing it. blood of Jesus. I turn this water into money, y'all. Can you see this? All on top, this don't stop. Money in abundance, it's on lack. Wine in the cellar, got cash in the dresser. Grown man never stressed cause of what we got. Like let the grounds just grow up green. Let the songs find those insane. Let the front come and take the king and kill them on these things. I'm talking. Let the skies accept my rise. Let the world see through my own eyes. And watch while I light this stuff jump fire. Watch us as we ride. We been on top and we been killing it. It's all like we've been on top and we've been killing it. We can't stop, we've been on top and they've been feeling it. Talking about the realest on top and we've been killing it. We've been killing it. We've been on top and we've been killing it. It's all like we've been on top and we've been killing it. We can't stop, we've been on top and they've been feeling it. Talking about the realest on top and we've been killing it. We've been killing it. The best in the game. J-Rob MD, Trey Houston.
Time coming, but I'm here. I was drifting, now I'm shifting gears. Now I gotta wait a lifetime. Right now, this is my time. This is gonna be my year. I was gone a minute, now I'm back. Busy changing, breaking from the pack. Now waiting on a chance. I'm making my own plans. The world's gonna have to deal with that. Go and tell them that I'm had enough. Time's up. Go and tell them I'm. 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 Been a long time coming, look out. This is what I always dreamed about. I'm over being scared, let them talk and let them stare. Go tell them that my time is now. Go and tell them that the past is done. Start running. Go and tell them I'm. 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 Yeah, was in the back of the pack, now I'm in first place. Used to dream about this life, now I see it in my face. Hard work pays off, gotta go, gotta get it. Eyes on the prize, never worry about the critics. I didn't put it on my time, put it on my work. Made it through the storm, yeah, we came up from the dirt. It's go time, show 'em what I got. Long time coming, this time won't stop. From the crowd, I'ma stand out, no handouts. Taking on the world, so look at me now. This is just the beginning, progress still growing. They said I couldn't do it, so I guess I gotta show them. Now I feel unstoppable, now I'm feeling good. Look at how I'm winning, and they didn't think I would, but I didn't hold back, and the odds were all stacked. Now I play 'em this song, and I tell 'em I'm back. Go and tell them that the past is done. Start running. Go and tell them I'm. 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 Yeah.
baddest man alive. I only hate to believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher, and we're here with a little taste of that fire.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna bring me your closer. He's throwing ducks, I serve him up like I'm Sosa.
Cause I'm the bad man.
Ain't nothing special, I'm just a rebel. Looking bezeled, you boys is looking disheveled. Out of Nashville, that's Tennessee. I'm swinging fast, you gon' be thinking it's 10 of me. Don't want me as your enemy, I'll bury your name. Was buddy in these streets, now you forgot by the game. You got egg on your face like you ate a souffle. Now I'ma knock your top off like it's Trump's toupee. Now slow down, your rhymes are ass chomp. I know you gassed up, but I bet your finger wouldn't touch the trigger on a gas pump. Mask up, came down, mic is sick, throw your hood. I fucking carry game like I'm Underwood, it's understood. Laid back with your girl, we on that days of play. One hitter, now you're on fire like I'm Johnny Blaze. Yeah, I'm Ghost Rider with a pin and stare. I'm one step ahead, I'm dancing on them like I'm Fred Astaire. Cause I'm the baddest man alive. I only hate to believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher, and we're here with a little taste of that fire.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna bring me your closer. He's throwing ducks, I serve him up like I'm Sosa.
Cause I'm the bad man.
I got in mindset, throwing the concert just to see all of your faces, dropping your jaws and throwing your arms and falling convulsing and shaking. Fuck if you die, the king is a rap. Here with the purpose to surface these rappers is rapping this rap shit. I murder a cat on the track and they hand him his purse. Return to the rapper, hit a rap shit up on these plastic ass cats. Don't even write raps, just ass. Spit it on a track, rolled up another platinum plaque, burning a mask. Fuck that. You wanna act and act, get on the screen, do your thing, let it fail, you die off. I am the king, fuck everybody else, I'm on the that be that. Return to the writer, scribble out of shit to the page gets fire. Call me a liar, spark it in the dark and let it burn. And you can call me inspired, heart of a lion, innocence in my heart will jump out of my chest. Eat you alive, beat you to death, tear it all apart, feast on the flesh and do it all without even trying. This is a statement, I have been patient. This is a track for the ages. Solo and Dre went in and created something that's hot for the placements. God damn it, you can't ignore all the gasoline spread around the floor. And I got a match here, I'm about to let it go, watch it blow. Are you ready for more?
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. I only hate to believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher, and we're here with a little taste of that fire.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna bring me your closer. He's throwing ducks, I serve him up like I'm Sosa.
Cause I'm the bad man.
Smoke up, gas in the blem. Free up the guys, then dip out the ends. Jump in the ride, then burn out the rims. Don't stop, don't clutch the button. Never in the block with the yak for events. Skin kept close to the button on them with the tips on 10. Back in the back, that's on tap. Ready to go and jump out. Right side, it came. Kicks on and I'm gone. Pitched up on my own. Right side it came back. This lifestyle had me wrong. Woke up and then I kicked up. I turned ghost on them, I'm gone. Kicks on and I'm gone. Head missed and I dipped and shit. Clock that, it got long. Smoke up, that's in the blem. Free up the guys, then dip out the ends. Jump in the ride, then burn out the rims. Don't stop, watch the in. Never in the block with the yak for events. Skin kept close to the button on them with the tips on 10. Back in the back, that's on tap. Ready to go and jump in. Right side, king. Right side, it came. Right side, it came.
Tag your friends, like and subscribe. Comment below if I make this follow. Don't let this flop, wait till the end. Like for part 2, I'm going viral, I'm going viral, viral. Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting turned with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till